daphytv.
Learn daily use positional sentences in English. The cat is on the mat. The cat is on the mat. The book is on the table. The book is on the table. The moon is up in the sky. The moon is up in the sky. The bird is over the tree. The bird is over the tree. The cup is in the cabinet. The cup is in the cabinet. The pen is on the desk. The pen is on the desk. The spider crawls on the wall. The spider crawls on the wall. The picture is on the wall. The picture is on the wall. The squirrel is on the tree. The squirrel is on the tree. My hat fell on the floor. My hat fell on the floor. The head is on the neck. The head is on the neck. The vase is on the shelf. The vase is on the shelf. The car drives on the road. The car drives on the road. The balloon floats in the air. The balloon floats in the air. The pillow is on the bed. The pillow is on the bed. The kite flies in the sky. The kite flies in the sky. The kettle is on the fire. The kettle is on the fire. I am cooking in the kitchen. I am cooking in the kitchen. I am in the bathtub. I am in the bathtub. The bird is sitting on the fence. The bird is sitting on the fence. They are playing in the garden. They are playing in the garden. The dog is in the cage. The dog is in the cage. The apple is on the fridge. The apple is on the fridge. The cat is under the chair. The cat is under the chair. The mangoes are on the tree. The mangoes are on the tree. The book is inside the bag. The book is inside the bag. The bird is on the tree. The bird is on the tree. I am sitting on the table. I am sitting on the table. The baby is on the mat. The baby is on the mat. The helicopter hovers above the city. The helicopter hovers above the city. I am in the kitchen. I am in the kitchen. The shoes are on the floor. The shoes are on the floor. The students are in the bus. The students are in the bus. The spoon is in the bowl. The spoon is in the bowl. The laptop is on the desk. The laptop is on the desk. The boy is sitting on a couch. The boy is sitting on a couch. The cat is on the bed. The cat is on the bed. The jacket is on the hanger. The jacket is on the hanger. The clock is on the wall. The clock is on the wall. The cat is sitting on the chair. The cat is sitting on the chair. The umbrella is by the door. The umbrella is by the door. The crayons are in the box. The crayons are in the box. The phone is next to the charger. The phone is next to the charger. The ball is beside the tree. The ball is beside the tree. The fruits are in the basket. The fruits are in the basket. The flowers in the vase are by the window. The flowers in the vase are by the window. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.